Good morning, everyone. My name is Nuha Mergani, and we're honored to be part of this beautiful coalition. We're gathered here today not only as advocates and as allies, but we're here as good-hearted human beings standing together to face injustice. We are here because silence is not an option when families are being torn apart, when mothers cry themselves to sleep, and when fathers live in fear of never seeing their children again. We call on elected leaders and officials to take immediate action because lives are at stake. We ask for ending of the 287D agreements that have spread fear in our neighborhoods and eroded trust between law enforcement and the very communities they are meant to protect. We ask for restoration and expansion of the TPS protection that has been created for moments like this, for people fleeing war, disaster, and humanitarian crisis. We demand the reinstatement of the CHNV program, which was a beacon of hope for people. Haiti is in crisis, families are dying, we must act now. We ask for ending of the travel bans. No one should be banned from this country because of where they were born or how they pray. These bans do nothing to make us safer. They shrink our compassion, our principles, and our standing in the world. And finally, we must say this clearly and loudly. Stop the unlawful deportation. Deporting people without due process is not just a legal failure, it's a human rights violation. We're not asking for favors, we're asking for fairness. We're not asking for pity, we're asking for policy. And we're not asking for silence, we're asking for solidarity. Thank you very much.